Yo, what's up everybody? AI Insights here, and we're diving deep into the future with this one. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 mind-blowing AI gadgets you need in 2025. We've been tracking the AI game for a minute now, and let me tell you, 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer. From personal gadgets to home devices, these innovations are designed to make life easier, more efficient, and incredibly futuristic. Imagine gadgets that think smarter, operate smoother, and bring sci-fi level convenience to your daily routine. These AI gadgets are not just cool, they're essential for redefining how we live, work, and play. So, buckle up because we're about to break down the tech that's going to revolutionize your world. Let's get it.
In this video, we'll list the names of the top AI gadgets mentioned and identify the best one among them. Stay tuned!
Kicking things off, we've got something straight out of Star Trek, but it's real. Wearable AI translators. Remember those awkward moments with a phrasebook? Those days are gone. These aren't your average translation apps. Next-level AI algorithms in real time. Seamless, instant translation. No more language barriers, just pure connection. Not just audio, real-time AR text translation. Point and translate instantly. Traveling, business, connecting cultures. This is just the beginning.
At number 9, we're shifting gears, literally, with AI-powered e-bikes. These e-bikes are not just sleek, they're infused with AI to enhance your ride. Experience a whole new level of riding with advanced AI features. These bikes offer more than just assistance, they're practically sentient. Imagine an e-bike that learns your riding style, adapts to the terrain, and anticipates your next move. Need a boost going uphill? This bike's got you covered. Want to cruise on flat ground without breaking a sweat? It's like it can read your mind. The AI also excels in predictive maintenance. These bikes constantly monitor their systems, detecting potential issues before they arise. Flat tire? Chain needs lubrication? The bike alerts you in advance, helping you avoid roadside breakdowns. AI makes your ride smoother, safer, and undeniably cooler. AI-powered e-bikes are revolutionizing cycling, making it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone.
At number 8, we delve into the transformative world of VR/AR headsets. These gadgets are set to revolutionize how we experience reality. Imagine having your mind blown with immersive experiences. AI-powered headsets transport you to breathtaking virtual worlds. Explore ancient Rome, dive into the ocean, or journey through space. Experience hyper-realistic adventures tailored just for you. Enhance your daily life with AR overlays. Need directions? Arrows appear on the sidewalk. Learning about a landmark? Instant information pops up. Personalized VR/AR headsets offer unique gaming experiences. Opponents learn your strategies, environments adapt, and storylines unfold. The future of gaming is going to be epic.
Meet smart assistants that go beyond commands. They get you. With emotional recognition, they read your emotions. Imagine a world where your assistant knows your mood. Stressed, excited, feeling down? It understands and responds accordingly. Need to vent? It listens. Feeling happy? It shares your joy. This AI connects deeply, becoming a companion, not just a device. It tailors responses based on your emotions. This is personalization at its best, creating natural, intuitive interactions. And let's be real, it's pretty cool.
Coming in at number 6, we've got fitness trackers, but not the ones you're used to. These are packing some serious AI power, and they're not just about counting steps anymore. Get ready for fitness trackers with real-time health monitoring. We're talking next-level sensors that monitor everything from your heart rate and sleep patterns to your blood oxygen levels and even stress levels. This is like having a personal health expert on your wrist 24/7. But it doesn't stop there. The AI kicks in to analyze all that data and provide you with personalized insights and recommendations. Imagine your fitness tracker noticing an irregular heartbeat and alerting you to potential issues. Or maybe it recognizes a pattern of poor sleep and suggests adjustments to your bedtime routine. This is proactive healthcare, people, and it's only getting smarter. These AI-powered fitness trackers are all about empowering you to take control of your health. They provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and live a healthier, happier life.
Buckle up, because at number 5, we're diving into the world of AI-powered vehicles. And no, I'm not just talking about self-driving cars, although that's definitely part of it. This is about a complete transformation of the entire driving experience. Imagine a world where your car not only gets you where you need to go safely and efficiently, but also anticipates your needs along the way. Need to grab a coffee? Your AI assistant has already pre-ordered your usual and added it to the route. Traffic jam ahead? No worries, your car has already found an alternate route, saving you time and frustration. But here's where it gets really interesting. Predictive maintenance. Remember those AI-powered e-bikes we talked about earlier? Same concept here. These vehicles are constantly analyzing their own systems, predicting potential issues before they even arise. Low tire pressure? Engine needs a tune-up? Your car will schedule a service appointment for you, so you don't have to lift a finger. This is the future of transportation, people. It's about making driving safer, more efficient, and, dare I say, even enjoyable. These gadgets are not just luxuries. They are necessities for a smarter, more connected world.
At number 4, we're bringing the heat, or should I say, the perfect temperature, with self-learning thermostats. These aren't your grandma's thermostats, folks. These advanced gadgets are powered by AI, making your home the most comfortable and energy-efficient place on the block. Say goodbye to constantly adjusting the thermostat. These devices learn your preferences and habits over time, creating a personalized climate control system just for you. Like it a little cooler at night? Warmer in the morning? No problem. This thermostat has got you covered. But here's where the AI really shines. These thermostats don't just learn your preferences. They also take into account factors like the weather outside, time of day, and even your home's insulation levels to optimize energy usage. That means you'll save money on your energy bills while reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation, people. Self-learning thermostats are proof that AI can make our lives more comfortable and sustainable at the same time.
Gamers, assemble. At number 3, we're diving into the world of AI-curated gaming gadgets, and let me tell you, these are game changers. Forget about static storylines and predictable opponents. We're talking about gadgets that adapt to your every move, creating a truly unique and immersive experience every time you play. Imagine gadgets that learn your playstyle, your strengths, your weaknesses, and use that knowledge to craft challenges that keep you constantly engaged. Feeling adventurous? The gadget throws you into a fast-paced action sequence. Prefer a more strategic approach? Get ready for a mind-bending puzzle that will put your skills to the test. And it's not just about the gameplay itself. AI can also curate the perfect gaming experience for you. Imagine an AI-powered game library that recommends games based on your mood, your preferences, and even your skill level. It's like having a personal gaming concierge at your fingertips. This is the future of gaming, people, where every session is a new adventure.
Coming in at number 2, we're stepping into the future of home automation with advanced smart home devices. And I'm not just talking about smart lights and voice assistants. This is about taking the entire smart home concept to a whole new level. Imagine a home where every device is seamlessly connected and powered by AI that anticipates your needs. Lights automatically adjust to the perfect brightness based on the time of day and your personal preferences. Music follows you from room to room, creating the perfect ambiance. And security systems monitor your home with advanced facial recognition technology, keeping you and your loved ones safe and sound. But it's not just about convenience and security, it's about efficiency too. AI-powered smart homes can monitor energy usage, optimize appliance performance, and even detect potential maintenance issues before they become major problems. This is the future of living, people. It's about creating a home that's not just smart, it's intelligent, responsive, and truly personalized to your needs.
And finally, at number 1, we've got the tech that's literally becoming an extension of ourselves, AI-enhanced wearables. From smartwatches and fitness trackers to glasses and even clothing, AI is about to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and the world around us. Imagine smartwatches that go beyond notifications, providing real-time language translation, personalized health recommendations, and even augmented reality experiences. Picture glasses that overlay digital information onto your real-world view, giving you instant access to directions, reviews, and even social media feeds. But it doesn't stop there. AI-enhanced wearables are also becoming more integrated with our bodies, monitoring our vital signs, tracking our fitness progress, and even providing haptic feedback for navigation or gaming. This is the future of wearable technology, people. It's about seamless integration, personalized experiences, and a world where technology enhances our lives in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 mind-blowing AI gadgets you need in 2025. From language translating earbuds to self-driving cars, these gadgets are designed to make your life easier and more connected. The language translating earbuds break down communication barriers, allowing you to converse effortlessly with anyone, anywhere. The self-driving cars promise safer and more efficient travel, reducing the stress of daily commutes and long journeys. These innovations are not just cool, they are necessary for a smarter future. Imagine a world where your home anticipates your needs, your car drives you safely, and language is no longer a barrier. These AI gadgets are paving the way for that future. Stay tuned because the future of tech is just getting started. Make sure you watch some more videos.